In this video we will finally see how the file component works and why it works with a special thing that is called a custom component on a different server. Do you remember when we tried to run the chat flow with the file component? Well, this version here is hosted on Railroad, which is basically an SaaS provider, and I have deployed Langflow on that service. So let's ask it how many residents, and it says as of 2021 Marmagen has a population of around 1700 residents. And that's exactly what we find inside of the file that we have provided. Let's see if we can find something special. Here is something about the St. Laurentius Church. So let's ask it, what about the church? When was it built? Now it's thinking. And it says the local church in Marmagen, dedicated to St. Laurentius, dates back to the 12th century, which means that it works on this server, which shows the same version as the DataStax server. And this one is the document QA that is provided as a template. And this is the exact same thing on the DataStax server. And when I ask it how many residents, I still get the same unknown error. I have several deployments ongoing here. I can click on New Project, deploy from GitHub, pick a version, add some variables. Then it should create an environment which I can set up. I can add some environment variables and some settings. For example, this is the development branch, and this deployment will probably fail. But that's how it can be done. These are automated names, stunning enjoyment. So when I want to get rid of it, I can delete this project like I do now. And I will not be billed for anything. This one costs money. And you might notice a few things that are a little bit strange. First of all, it shows the same version like the hosted one on DataStax, but I'm able to use the file component, which was outdated on my local installation. And here it shows parse data. This is a different component that we have not used so far. And when you open the Langflow documentation, you will now see a warning: this page may contain outdated information, which is exactly the case because they have still this flow where they show how to connect the files component directly to the prompt. So let's go back to the hosted version here. I will delete this connection. I think I need this parse data component. It's not here in the data section. I think it's not here at all. So this seems to be a custom component. And the custom component is actually available. So let's drag this one on the chart. I will open the code section, paste in the source code from the other workflow, but I'm not able to save it. But I would have expected it to show the display name parse data in that case, and it still says custom component. Okay, maybe you want to deploy your own railway instance of Langflow. I have done it a few times and I must say it's not very easy to get it to run, but that might change in the future. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.